Here's how to turn off Talkback on POCO X7 Pro. So first of all, we need to navigate to settings. If you use buttons, then you can go to the home screen. So you can tap on the home screen button once and then double tap in order to open the home screen. Then go to settings. So if you have it in the home screen, then you can just tap it once and then double tap in order to go here. If you have it on the next page, then you need to use two fingers in order to swipe to the next page. Or if you have it in the app drawer, then swipe it up by using two fingers. There we go. So in order to scroll up or down, we actually need to use two fingers instead of just one. If you try to use one, it doesn't work. So let's go to the settings, tap once and then double tap. Over here, we need to scroll all the way down. So once again, use two fingers in order to scroll all the way down over here. Choose additional settings once and then double tap. Then tap accessibility and double tap. Tap on vision and double tap. Tap on Talkback and once again double tap. Now tap on the use Talkback option and then double tap. Tap on turn off and once again double tap. And there we go. Now Talkback is disabled. You can once again use just one finger in order to scroll and do pretty much everything. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!